Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Lenovo ThinkPlus XT92 with your MacBook. You have to start by press one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And after that, you need to open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case. If your earbuds do not connect it with another devices, they will enter to pairing mode automatically. If it connected with another device, you need to disconnect or unpair it. After that, you will see them at the device list and you need to click Connect near to it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!